Okay, another example. Ito na yung para mas ma-emphasize natin ito. So, let's say meron tayo dito secant raised to 6x dx. Yung tipong pag nag-extract tayo, ay hindi siya rectang secant squared ang lalabas. So, kung mapapansin nyo, pag nag-extract tayo ng secant squared, magiging secant to the fourth of x, then secant squared, diba? So, ito yung sinasabi na you have to express this in terms of secant squared. Okay? So, para maging secant squared, yun na yun. Rewrite lang natin secant squared and then raise to 4 over 2. You have 2. Para pag 2 times 2, meron kang 4 pa rin. Then, i-rewrite natin tong secant squared of x dx na ito. Okay? After nyan, papalitan natin ang secant squared ng tan squared plus 1. Hindi po ito, kundi itong ating pinagtanggalan. So, this will be tan squared plus 1 na naka-squared secant squared of x dx. Okay? So, dito, kagaya nung sa previous natin, we're going to apply the square of binomial. So, yung first term ay i-squared natin. So, rewrite natin. Okay? Si tan squared of x, naka-square siya, plus 2 times yung first term na tan squared of x times the last term na 1. Ito po yun. And then plus yung 1 na naka-squared multiplied by secant squared of x dx. Okay, so yan po yun. So, before we proceed, ang gawin natin, iayos lang po muna natin ang tan squared squared ay tan to the fourth of x. 2 tan squared times 1 ay 2 tan squared of x pa rin. Then, ang 1 square naman is simply 1. Tapos, meron tayo ditong secant squared of x dx. Ito, nire-write lang natin. So, ang sunod na nating step dito is to distribute the secant squared of x dx. Ito po ay distribute na natin. So, basically, magkakaroon tayo dito ng tan to the fourth of x, then yung secant squared of x dx. Then, next, itong portion na to. So, pwede natin pong ilabas yung 2. Okay, so 2 tan squared of x, then itong portion na ito. So, secant squared of x dx. Tapos ito, 1 times secant, dito ko na lang po ilagay. So, 1 times secant squared of x dx, edi secant squared of x dx siya. Okay, and then afterwards, pwede na nating erekta to. Always remember, ang du natin is the secant squared. Therefore, ang ilalet natin lagi na u ay syempre yung lalabas sa secant squared, which is the tangent of x. Ito yon. So, ang du natin is secant squared of x dx. Okay? So, once na may u du na tayo, pwede na po tayong mag-substitute. So, ang u natin is tangent of x, ay ito tan to the fourth, edi u to the fourth tayo. Ang secant squared x dx natin ay du, edi rekta du na to. Itong portion na to plus 2, ito, diba, u natin ay tangent, ay naka-squared yung tan squared, so u squared. Tapos ito ay ganun pa rin, du plus. Ito, secant squared of x dx lang, du lang siya. Or automatic, alam mo naman, the answer is tangent, which is dito, ang answer dito ay u equal to tangent. So anyways, let's continue using the power rule, u to the fourth yan. So plus 1 ka lang over 4 plus 1. Tapos, you have 2 here. Ito, u squared. So, magiging u cube over 3 times 2 pa rin. And ito, magiging galing siya sa u. Then, don't forget, plus c. So, looking back, yung u natin is tangent. Replace na lang natin siya. Meron tayong tangent raised to 5 of x all over 5. Then, ito, pwede nating extract yung 2/3 or pwede din naman 2 tan cube of x all over 3. Then, plus, ang u natin ay tangent of x, we have plus c. So, ito po ang magiging final answer natin. Take note. Applicable to first, second, and cosecant na even whole number ang exponent. Okay?